Lysaght roofing, walling, rainwater and structural products, an iconic part of Australia's building landscape. Welcome to the story behind Lysaght steel building products. Let's take a journey through the entire manufacturing process that transforms raw materials into high-quality roofing, walling, rainwater and structural products, known for their strength, durability and versatility. Our process begins with the essential raw materials: iron ore, coal and limestone. These are the building blocks of steel. The journey starts at the coke ovens, where the coal is heated to high temperatures in the absence of air to produce coke, a crucial fuel for the next stage. The coke is added as fuel to the blast furnace, along with iron ore and limestone. Here, intense heat causes a chemical reaction to remove impurities and produces molten iron. This molten iron is collected and purified in the next stage to create high-quality steel. Next is the BOS, or Basic Oxygen Steelmaking process. In this stage, the molten iron is mixed with scrap metal and oxygen is blown through the mixture. This step removes more impurities and reduces the carbon content of the iron, transforming it into the durable BlueScope steel used in Lysaght building products. The steel from the BOS is then cast into solid slabs through continuous slab casting. The liquid steel flows into a caster and cools rapidly, forming solid slabs that are later processed into thinner sheets. These slabs then go through a process of hot rolling, where they're heated again and rolled out into thinner steel coils. Hot rolling makes the steel more malleable and prepares it for further refinement. After hot rolling, the steel sheets undergo cold rolling to achieve the right thickness required for roll-formed products. Cold rolling enhances the steel's surface quality and adds strength essential for the durability of Lysaght roll-formed building products. Next is the continuous metallic alloy coating stage, a process that defines next-generation zinc-aluminum steel. Here, the steel is coated in a zinc-aluminium-manganese alloy, providing long-lasting protection against corrosion, a crucial step for Australia's diverse climate conditions. For COLORBOND steel products, the metal alloy-coated coils undergo an advanced painting process. Multiple layers of pre-treatment, primer and highly durable top coat paint are applied and baked on, creating a beautiful, resilient finish that adds both style and additional weather resistance to Lysaght roofing, walling and rainwater products. The final step is roll forming, where the metallic coated or pre-painted steel is shaped into the various Lysaght products, such as our iconic custom orb corrugated profile. And that completes the journey of Lysaght steel building products, from raw materials to a versatile, durable and stylish roofing solution. Each step is carefully crafted to ensure the highest quality, bringing you Lysaght roofing, walling, rainwater and structural products that will not only add to the aesthetics of any project, but will also stand the test of time in Australian conditions.